You see my screen, everyone?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. So I think in previous class, so we learn what is data hiding and what is abstraction and what is encapsulation, right? Any questions, guys? No, right? No. Today we are going to discuss the remaining features, guys, in OOPS. So now there is a tightly encapsulated class. Okay. What is another one? Tightly encapsulated class. Tightly encapsulated class. So what is tightly encapsulated class, guys? What is tightly encapsulated class? Okay. So tightly encapsulated class means, so in the class, a Java class is said to be tightly encapsulated class, okay, if and only if all its data members variables declared as a private. Okay, when we will say any class, any Java class is tightly encapsulated class wise. So all the data members, what we have in that class, okay, all the data members should be declared as a private access modifier. Then only we can say that class is what? Tightly encapsulated class. Understand?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
Okay. So here what? We are not discussing anything related to methods, guys. Okay. We are discussing related to what? Properties. Properties are member variables. So the properties, what are the properties we have in that class? All the properties should be declared as what? Private access modifier. So then only we can say that class is what? Tightly encapsulated class. Okay. It is applicable only for what? Properties, not methods, guys. Okay. Let's suppose we have a Java Bean class. For if you take a 10 properties, for 10 properties, we have getter and setter methods, right? So here what getter and setter methods are related to what? Public access modifier, right? But properties, we will declare them as what? Private access modifier. Okay. So you can say a simple Java Bean class as a tightly encapsulated class, right? Java Bean means what? Java Bean is a simple Java class which contains private data members, okay, private member variables and public getter and setter methods, okay, right? So this is what Java Bean class. So we can take a simple Java Bean class as a tightly encapsulated class, right? We can call it,
Yeah.
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So now, a Java class, okay, a Java class which contains, okay, private member variables. Okay, a Java class which contains private member variables. Okay, such type of class is said to be is said to be what? Tightly encapsulated class. Okay, a tightly encapsulated class, right? A simple Java Bean class, okay, a simple Java Bean class, we can call it as tightly encapsulated class. Okay, so example. So now let me take class something called test. Okay, so now here I have int x. Okay, so int y. Understand? Int z. Boolean flag. Boolean flag. So like this, there is a class, guys. So here I'm putting private. Here also I'm putting private access modifier. So here I'm putting public access modifier, and this is default access modifier. So what about this class? Can we call this class as a tightly encapsulated class? Hello, I'm
Yeah.
asking you only. Can we call this class as a tightly encapsulated class?
Yes,
No.
sir.
Huh? We
Some
can call
public.
this class as a tightly encapsulated class. What is tightly
No, no, sir.
No.
Yeah, okay. Tightly encapsulated class means what? A
All
class
the
which
variable
contains all the member
All the
variables
member variables
should
are
be private
private.
access modifier. Right? Then only we can call that class as what? Tightly encapsulated class. But if you see in this class, how many variables we have? Four member variables we have. Out of four member variables, two member variables we declare them as what? Private.
Public.
And one is what? Public. Another
Public.
one is what? Boolean. So it's not a tightly encapsulated class. Tightly encapsulated class means what? All the member
All the-
values of that class should be declared as private access.
Private.
Okay. So that's what I'm saying. A Java bean class. A simple Java bean class is what? Tightly encapsulated class, right?
Yeah.
But in simple Java bean class means what? A simple Java bean class which contains private member variables and public getter and setter methods, right? So now all the Java bean classes member variables, we declare them as what? Private. So that's what we can call a simple Java bean class is what? Tightly encapsulated class, right? Hello.
Yeah.
Guys.
Yes, sir.
Public class, let's suppose student we have. Okay, I'm writing Java bean class, guys. Private int ID, student ID. Okay. Next, private string name. Okay. Next one, private string subject. Okay. For these, what are the getter and setter methods? These are the what? Member variables. Okay. Public set ID.
Set.
Okay. Int ID. Come on, tell me. You know, right?
Yes. This got
Public, sorry. See, public void, right? Return type. You have to tell. Set ID.
this dot
This dot ID equals to ID.
ID.
Right? The next one. Public int get ID.
Get ID.
Right? So now return ID. Right?
Yeah.
This is for one getter method. Next one. Public
Void.
void set
Name.
name. Okay. String name.
This dot name.
This dot name equals to
Name.
okay. Now public string
String. Get name.
get name. Okay. This is
Return.
what return name. Okay. Now next one. Public
Void.
void
Void. Set.
void
Subject.
set subject, right?
Set subject.
Here what string subject. This dot subject equals to subject. Okay. This dot subject is equal to subject, right? Now what next, guys? Let me fine. So now next method. Public. Why am I not able to? Okay, fine. Public getter return type is what? String.
String.
Get a
It's a subject.
Get subject method. Okay. So return what? Subject. Okay, so this is what, guys? This is what?
Symbol being plus.
Java bean class. Okay, this is what, guys? Simple Java bean class. Right? This is a simple Java bean class. If you see this class, private access modifier and public and getter and setter methods. Okay, tightly encapsulated means what, guys? Okay, so all the properties, okay, in that class should be declared as what? Private access modifier. So then only we can call that class as what, guys? Tightly encapsulated class. Okay, here we are not discussing anything related to methods, guys. Okay, we are discussing related to what? Access, only member variables. Okay,
Member variables.
member variable should be declared as private. If one member variable declared as either public or protected or default, okay, instead private, then we can call that class is what, guys? Can we call that class as tightly encapsulated? No,
Yeah.
right?
No, no.
Okay, understood what is tightly encapsulated class means?
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Yes.
fine. So now, yeah. So this is tightly encapsulated class, guys. Okay. So now